morning, sister. And of course, my strongest weather radio cuts out.
30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Greencastle, or 30 miles north of Bloomington, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Plainfield, Brownsburg, Danville, Avon, Claremont, Clayton, Coatesville, Amo, Stylesville, Belle Union, Indianapolis International Airport, Little Point, and Canby. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 between mile markers 45 and 75. Interstate 74 between mile markers 66 and 71. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hendricks, Marion, Morgan, and Putnam.